Hello viewers, welcome to Diesel. Today we are going to review Tata Safari. This is a very bold design. The front stance of the car is very stunning. It is very big and bold looking car. The side stance is very nice. It is having a dual tone painting job, and this is Kasiranga edition. It is a external version of Harrier. This is a 7-seater. Though it may look like Harrier, the rear design of the car is very nicely designed. It has a rear defogger and a wiper. This is a SUV. It is having a rear parking sensor and camera. The side stance of the car is very nice. It is built on the Land Rover platform, so it is very good design and very unique. It is having a 18-inch alloy wheel, blacked out 18-inch alloy wheel, and the dual tone exterior is very good. Let's see the interior of the car. The door itself opening with a thud sound. It is very big, it is very nice. The interior is very nice, unique, and buttons are neatly arranged. The speedometer comes with both analog and digital. It is having touchscreen infotainment system. The gear, center arm, everything is nicely spaced. And the drive mode, it is having 3 drive modes. The audio controls are given both in the central console and the steering wheel. The doors which are open are displayed in the speedometer. Let's see the rear seats. The rear seats are very comfortable. It is a monocoque design, so seating is good, but unlike a ladder frame, this is okay. It is having a dual tone interiors. You see, it is having a panoramic sunroof. It's very nice design, and it is having a very lighting inside. The seats are very comfortable. The rear seats are also adequate for travel. It is very new car, and the seating arrangement is very comfortable for 3 people. The visibility is good. The rear AC is also in the C pillar and B pillar also. Let's see the drive review. It is having a very good road presence, and the drive feel of the car is very good. It feels like you are driving a tank. It is very solid build quality, and the overall the presence of the car is very good. Very high driving position. It gives very good comfort, and the engine is a 2-liter Cryotech diesel and generates 170 horsepower. The overall the car is very stunning. You can see the pickup is very high and very having enough power to pull. Even in it is a racing bull, it is like a racing bull. The pickup is very nice. It races like a rocket, and the diesel power is very good. Very much powerful engine is there. It is a Fiat source engine, and the visibility of the car is very good, and it gives ample confidence to drive the car. The bonnet is visible, so that it is having very good visibility. The stability of the car is very nice. It is having 18-inch alloy wheel. The base model of the car is around 18 lakhs, so the top model will be around 25 lakhs. It will have all the features. The direct competitor of the car is Jeep Compass. The dashboard is a leather wrapped, so that it is having a very premium feel, and the touchscreen is around little small. It comes with 3 drive modes. The AC is also very good. The cooling is very nice, and it comes with both 6-speed manual and automatic transmission. The suspension of the car is very nicely tuned. The pickup is very good. When you drive, it is very effortlessly driving. Overtaking also very good, easy. The engine is Fiat source, but it is having the same engine of Jeep Compass and MG Hector also. So as a bargain, Tata Safari is a very good choice for driving. The only drawback is the gearbox alone feels little heavy. The steering is electric steering, so that it is very easy to maneuver and control. Though it is having very big car, it is control is very like smooth. It comes with good audio system. AC is also very nice. It is a very good choice from Tata, and the product is very good. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.